If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Home buyers, should you ever waive a home inspection? Hi, I'm Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty. As a buyer, the process of writing offers can be daunting if the properties you are interested in are seeing multiple offers. So, as a buyer, does it make sense to waive your inspection contingency to make your offer more attractive to a seller? Oftentimes, the answer is no. Here's why. A home inspection is something that protects your financial interests in most likely the largest purchase you will make in your life, a home. To the naked eye, a home may look pristine and clean, but without an inspection by a professional, you may not be aware of any lurking problems. Home inspections can uncover potentially hazardous items in the home like bad heating and air conditioning, structural issues, or bad wiring. These types of repairs can cost you thousands of dollars down the road as a homeowner. It is better to know upfront of any potential issues before moving forward with the transaction. The contingency will allow you to do your full inspections and request any needed repairs. Keep in mind that a seller does not have to accept your request, and at that time, you can decide if you want to move forward with the purchase. Of course, there will also be times when a home inspection comes up clean and there is no need to request any type of repair from the seller. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. This is great for both sellers and buyers, and it will also give a peace of mind that your potential dream home is in good shape. If you do decide to waive the contingency, you can always do a for formal purposes only inspection. This means you cannot hold the seller to any repairs, but you will know if there are any issues up front. This is not always the recommended thing to do, but as a buyer, sometimes the competition to get the home only leaves this option. Bottom line, it is worth it as a buyer to spend a few $100s on a home inspection to understand the bones of the home you are about to purchase. If you would like more information on the home buying process, please reach out to my team and I so we can prepare you for this exciting journey. I'm Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty, giving you your perfect home made in LA.